Daddy said, real men don't cry. Well, guess what? Real wolves do. Grew up with ice in my throat, told to speak like a man, not joke. They taped my howl, shut down my flame. Called it pride, but it was shame. I was silenced like a leash, called it strength when I couldn't speak. But this muzzle's rusted, ripped with time. You can't gauge truth in nursery rhymes. Don't muzzle me, not one more night. I've earned this how, I've won this fight. No more calm down, no more boys don't break. I'm a storming foe, a primal quake. So if you feel what I scream for, then step back, baby. I ain't yours. This ain't your alpha, tamed and sore. Don't muzzle me, not anymore. You think I'm loud, now you should have heard the silence I bit just to feel heard. Years of fake laughs and frozen stares held my trauma like a crown of flares. They said be good, don't stir the pot, but wolves like me were born to rot and build again with fire and claws. With every pain they call a flaw. I ain't here to be palatable. I ain't here to make you feel safe. I'm here to